beautiful folks, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations, and I'm gonna give you blue and orange premium Photoshop accents just for free. So all you're gonna do is just download this, right click on it and select extract here. All the links are down given in the description. Open that, and all you have to do is here is the action. Just double click on it and just open up in Photoshop, so it will automatically save in Photoshop. So go to the window and select the actions from there. As you can see, here is a blue and orange ABC 2020. Now when you will click over here, and all you just have to do is just click over here and just play the actions, and you will see the magic, guys. Wow guys, so here is the before and here is the after, the perfect kind of blue and orange. This is literally so amazing. Let's just try it on this photo. Just play the accents and you will see the magic. Here is the before and here is the after, guys. This is literally so freaking amazing. I'll definitely suggest you to use them in your editing game. It will totally turn up your game and change it to a next level, guys. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset, or the LUT, or the actions, whatever you say. Just hope you all have enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos and presets like this and accents and more stuff just like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com to download all the premium collection of actions, Photoshop presets, Lightroom preset and all stuff just for free. And also guys, follow me on Instagram, just tap ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. And don't forget to download this premium collection action, that is blue and orange, just for free. All the links are down given in the description.